The reason this is called Celebration is this is a celebration of all the different colors for the Rolex 41 OP models. Hey guys, this is Blake. We're going to be doing an intake video today of a very special Rolex. We're going to be going over the Rolex OP41 Celebration. The purpose of this video is we're going to be going over the condition of the watch. We'll be going over the watch's functions as well as any accessories that come along in the box. Let me go ahead and get started. Let me get my gloves on. It's going to come in this tan outer box. Let me get this out of the way real quick. We have our standard medium size inner box. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. There it is. This is the Rolex OP41 Celebration. Start off with a nice pillow roll. Beautiful stainless steel bracelet. Love the brush finish on our links as well as our lugs. And that awesome high polished fixed bezel and that really beautiful dial. We'll go over why it's called Celebration in a little bit. And no, it's not because we're celebrating Dippin' Dots or anything like that. Even though Dippin' Dots would be amazing right now during the summer. Let's start with the conditions test. Here's the bottom of the case, nice brush finish here, evenly throughout the case. We do have a nice high polished fixed bezel. Beautiful sapphire crystal and that beautiful dial. So before we continue, let's talk about the dial. The reason this is called Celebration is this is a celebration of all the different colors for the Rolex 41 OP models. So obviously the biggest color is the light blue, so that's to represent the Tiffany. You have the yellow for the mustard, the red for ketchup, you have the green, the pink. I'm not sure what those names are, but this is basically just all different colors. This model kind of in one little celebration. Looks really, really cool and unique. So here's the bottom left. We have a nice high polish finish on the side, brush finish on top. Case side has a nice even high polish finish. Top left, we have that high polish on the side, brush finish on top. Here's our top of the case. Nice even brush finish. That high polish bezel. Beautiful crystal. Top right, we got that brush on top, high polish on the side. Here's the crown side. We have a nice Rolex logo right there. The bottom right, we have a nice high polish on the side, brush on top. Here's that clasp. Let's go and open it up. We have a nice high polish finish on the inside. Beautiful. Here's our case back. Really nice vertical brush finish with a nice high polish ring going around it. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and go over the functions. So pretty simple watch. We got our hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's go ahead and unscrew our crown. Pull the watch out all the way. And let's go ahead and do a nice 24-hour sweep. It's got a nice smooth rotation to this crown. Feels really, really good. Love the colors, obviously. Very commemorative watch. Looks very, very nice. You don't see a whole lot of dials like this. This is definitely a very special watch. I think it looks really, really cool. I mean, you kind of got like a little bit of all the different colors, like I said. But yeah, kind of reminds me of Dippin' Dots a little bit, or like kind of like party balloons. It's pretty cool. All right, screw this crown back into place. And we have this nice minty blue lume. All of our hour markers can be lit up, including our minutes hand and hours hand, except for our 12 o'clock, because that's where our Rolex crown is going to be. I'll go ahead and let this charge for another second, and then we'll turn off the black light so you can see the watch's natural lume. There it is. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.